are going to see how a check looks like and how do we fill in the details in a check. So we've got a check from Wealthy Bank Limited. This is the bank where we have our account. And where do we have our account? Which branch? We have it in the Drummond Road branch, and then we've got the bank branch address and the details of that branch. That's on the left hand side. On the right hand side, you've got the date in the format DD, MM, YY, YY. DD is for the date. So let's say it is on the 1st, we will put in 01 of April. MM is for month, so we will write 04. And then YY, we will write the year 2015. So this check is issued today, which is the 1st of April 2015. Then we have the place where we need to put in the company's or the person's name to which the check is destined. So pay this person or this company. We will say ICA Infotech Private Limited. So we are issuing this check to ICA Infotech Private Limited. It's a company that we are issuing this check to. And what is the amount? In the rupees area, we will write in the amount. This has to be in words. So in words, we are writing in 10,000 only. And on the right hand side, we've got the boxes wherein we can put in the amount in numbers. So we will write in rupees 10,000. Underneath, we've got the account number. This is our account number. So it is 627501339740. And absolutely on the right hand side corner, for PQR Limited, that is the company that I own and I am the authorized signatory for that company, I put in my signature. So PQR Limited, and I am the person who's authorized to sign it, is issuing this check in the name of ICA Infotech Private Limited for the sum of rupees 10,000 only, which is in words written here and in numbers written here. And then this check is an account pay check only. So what do we do? In between the banking details, the account details and the signature, we put in two parallel lines diagonally, and in between those two parallel lines, we write account pay only. This is mandatory. You have to write this if the check is an account pay check. If you do not write account pay only, the check becomes a bearer check, and whoever bears the check, as in whoever has the check, can get it in cash. So because it will have to be deposited in a particular account, which is ICA Infotech Private Limited's account, we will write account pay only in the two parallel lines which are there diagonally. Underneath, we've got these four different numbers. The first one is 097081. This is our check number. So whenever someone asks you for the check number, this is the number that we provide. The first number on the check, which is there in the middle, the first set of numbers is your check number. The second set of numbers, which is in the middle, is actually your MICR code. That's your bank's recognition code. Then the third set of number, here it is 139740. This is the account code. What is an account code? Basically, the account code is your account number, which is a little shortened. So if you see, your account number is 627501339740 and your account code is 139740. So they have, in their own ways, the bank people have shortened this code. This is your account code. And the last one, the last set of number is number 10. What is that? That is the leaf number. So from your checkbook, this is the 10th check. The next one would be the 11th check. So it would be 11 written on the next one. Right? This is how the check looks like, and this is how we fill in the details. I hope this is all clear to you now. Thank you.